dear students, how are you? I hope all are good. So today let me start GK chapter number 16, the human body. Okay, so let me start. Human body is like a machine. The brain is like a computer which can do many things. Our body can think, plan and build other machines. Okay, so fill in the blanks with the clues from the box. Question number 1. There are 2 lakh hot and cold respirate receptors in your skin, plus 5 lakh touch and pressure receptors, and nearly dash pain receptors. So this is pain receptors. Okay. Number 2, millions of nerve signals enter your brain every dash second of your life. Every single second of your life. Number 3, skin is 6 millimeter thick on the soles of your feet. Okay, so and just dash millimeter thick on your eyelids. So this is 0.5. 0.5. Number 4, dash think that they will soon be able to do head transplant surgeons. Number 5, red blood cells. Red blood cells are made mainly of a red protein called it is hemoglobin. Number 6, lack of sleep can be dangerous. Okay, so a newborn baby needs 18 to 20 hours sleep a day. 18 to 20 hours sleep in a day, and adult need 7 to 8 hours. Okay. Number 7, muscles make up over dash of your body's entire weight. So muscles make up over 40% of your body's entire weight. 40%. Number 8, the bones of ribs contain dash and are one of the body's major blood cells factories. So it is contain red marrow. Blood is made up of dash, white cells and platelets all carried in a liquid called dash. It is red cells and plasma. Red cells and plasma. Number 10, girls' brains weigh 2.5% of their body weight on average, while boys' brains weight it is 2%. So this is human body. So everyone, the chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter. Chapter number 70. Nuclear energy. Nuclear fission. Nuclear fission is the fragmentation of a large nucleus into 2 smaller nuclei and the liberation of large amount of energy. In 1939, the German scientists Otto Hahn and S. Stresemann observed that when uranium was bombarded with show neutrons, then 2 smaller products were obtained with a tremendous amount of heat. So the splitting of uranium was called nuclear fission. Okay. So energy produced by nuclear fission or nuclear fusion is called nuclear energy or atomic energy. So in nuclear reactions, there is a loss of mass. This mass is converted into energy. It can be transformed into energy which can be used for various peaceful purposes. So types of nuclear fission. How many types? Controlled nuclear fission. So carried out in nuclear reactors in which rate of fission reaction is reduced and energy produced can be used for constructive purposes. Okay. So B, uncontrolled nuclear fissions. In an atom bomb, controlled fission takes place. A very large amount of heat is produced and the process continues until the entire amount of fissionable material is exhausted. Now the next one, nuclear reaction. What is nuclear reaction? A nuclear reaction is one in which a nucleus bombarded with an elementary particle like neutrons, proton, etc. or with another nucleus to produce other product. Okay, so in a very short time span. So the first nuclear reaction was discovered by Rutherford in 1919 when he bombarded nitrogen with alpha particles. Nuclear fusion. So nuclear fusion is a nuclear reaction in which lighter nuclei fuse to form a nucleus of greater mass. In this reaction also an enormous amount of heat is produced by carrying on nuclear fusion under control condition. The large amount of energy could be made available for useful purpose. Nuclear waste. Fission turns the nuclear fuel into highly radioactive waste material. This gives off radiation which can be extremely harmful to living things, especially if any of the waste gets into their bodies, so food, air or water. So this is very useful knowledge. More knowledge. First atom bomb on August 6, 1945, an atom bomb was dropped on Hiroshima city in Japan. The second atom bomb was dropped on Nagasaki, another city of Japan, on August 9, 1945. So the bomb were made of plutonium-239. So here are the multiple choice question. Okay, multiple choice questions. Write the correct option. Number 1, which gas is obtained during the processing of coal? So it is coal gas. Number 2, the gas associated with global warming is CO2. Question number 3, which is an almost pure form of carbon? Which is an almost pure form? So it is A, coke. Number 4, atomic weight of uranium is 238. Number 5, the major constituent of air is, which is nitrogen. And the last one, number 6, which of the following gases is used in cigarette lighters? Butane. So everyone, the chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 18. Write the following terms. It is the secretion of liver poured into duodenum. It is helpful in digestion, absorption and exertion. So this one is bile. Question number 2. These are two lower chambers of the heart from which the purified blood flows out through the arteries. So it is ventricles. Number 3, it is the chief and largest part of the brain which occupies its upper and frontal 2/3 of entire brain, covering all other parts of the brain. So it is also the center of intelligence. It is vitreous. It is the transparent fluid in the posterior chamber of the eye. So answer is number 3. It is the chief and largest part of the brain which occupies its upper and central 2/3 of entire brain, covering so all other parts of the brain. It is also the center of intelligence. So it is cerebrum. Number 4, it is the transparent fluid in the posterior chamber of the eye. So it is vitreous humor.
Oh.
Number 5. These are the blood vessels which carry blood back to heart from different parts of the body. So these are the veins. यानी कि जो हमारी नसें होती हैं. Question number 6. It is the pear-shaped pouch situated at the lower border of the liver for the storage of bile and the secretion of mucus. So this one is gallbladder. It is gallbladder. Number 7, it is a long yellowish gland across the posterior wall of the abdomen, secreting juices which digest proteins, fats, and carbohydrates. So this is pancreas. These are the pancreas. Number 8, these are two upper chambers of the heart into which the blood comes from the veins. So this is orifice. So student, the chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 90. Gadgets and Zigmos. Identify these modern gadgets. Use the pictures given as clues. So number 1, this portable media player was designed and launched by Apple in 2001. In this compact gadget, you can upload and play hours of music, videos, movies, and play games. So this is iPod. This is iPod. Number 2, using this gadget, readers can read a book that is available in electronical format. E-book reader. This is e-book reader. Number 3, after Apple released this sleek phone in 2007, Time magazine called it the invention of the year. So a touch screen with a virtual keyboard is one of the many interesting features of this phone. So this is iPhone.
Yeah.
After Apple released this sleek phone in 2007, Time magazine called it the invention of the year. A touch screen with a virtual keyboard is one of the many interesting features of this phone. This is iPhone. Number 4, with this gadget, you will never get lost while driving. It uses signals transmitted by satellites to determine the location of a vehicle and helps in navigation through interactive maps. So this is GPS navigator. GPS navigators. Number 5, this is a method of connecting a number of electronic devices such as computers, printers, mobile phones, etc. wirelessly by using a small cheap radio chip that is plugged into the devices. It is Bluetooth. Okay, so everyone, the chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 20. Amazing abbreviation. Abbreviation is formed from the initial components of a phrase or a word. So read this common abbreviation and increase your knowledge. So this chapter only for reading. Okay, question number is here. Okay, question answer is here. First of all, we will be read. So, number 1, GMT. The meaning is Greenwich Mean Time. NGO, non-government organization. Number 3, ATM, automated teller machine. UAE, United Arab Emirates. Number 5, NASA, National Aeronautics and Space Administration. IST, Indian Standard Time, sonar, sound navigation and ranging. SIM, subscriber and identification module. WWW means World Wide Web. VPN, virtual private network. So write the number B, write the full form of these abbreviations, acronyms. So number 1, 5G, fifth generation mobile telephone system. Fifth generation mobile टेलीफोन, इसको हम शॉर्ट में लिख देते हैं सिस्टम. Number 2, FAQ means frequently asked questions. Frequently ask questions. Okay. Now number 3, radar. It is radio detection and detection and ranging. Number 4, NATO and ATO means North Atlantic Treaty Organization. North Atlantic Treaty Organization. Number 5, ISRO, Indian Space Research Organization. Indian Space Organization. Number 6, LED means light emitting cute. Okay. So the students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 21. Electricity. It is a form of energy characterized by the movement of atoms, negatively charged electrons and positively charged protons. Acha, negatively charged electrons and positively charged protons. So electric current, it is the rate of flow of an electrical charge. It flows from positive to negative. Battery supply direct current DC and the main supply alternating current AC. So the radio and TV require DC and this is obtained from AC means by means of a rectifier which converts a AC into DC. Next one is fuse wire. What is fuse wire? Fuse wire is made of a material having low melting point. It is if it is inserted in an electric circuit, it will not allow excess electricity, okay, to flow through it. So when current exceeds its limit, the fuse wire gets heated, melts and breaks the circuit. Magnetic effect of electricity. When electricity is passed through a coil and insulated copper wire, the steel or iron placed in the coil behaves like a magnet. This is due to the magnetic field produced by electricity. Magnet, it is a substance which has the property of attracting pieces of iron, cobalt and nickel. When freely suspended, it aligns itself and geographical node in south directions. These ends are called magnetic poles. So when a magnet is broken into pieces, each piece becomes an independent magnet. Two poles of the magnet have equal strength. Static electricity. Static current is the electricity produced by friction or rubbing between two dissimilar objects. So depending on the nature of the object, one acquires a positive charge and the other a negative charge due to transfer of electrons. For example, when a glass rod is rubbed with a silk cloth, some electrons from the rod are transferred to the silk cloth. So thus by losing electrons, the glass rod becomes positively charged and by gaining the number of electrons. So the silk acquires an equal negative charge. Similarly, by rubbing an ebony's coat on hair, static electricity is produced which attracts its small piece of paper. Answer the following questions with clues from the help box. Number 1, an instrument that measures an electric charge. So it is voltmeter. Let me see. Yes, voltmeter. Number 2, an electric charge that builds up in one place such as a storm cloud is static charger. Let me check. Static charge. These are invisible waves of energy caused by electromagnetic radiation. So this is X-ray. X-ray. The path around which electricity flow. Which path is circuit? Number 5, generators that produce alternating current. So this is alternators. What is it? This is most of the electricity used in homes and factories is produced by these devices inside which coils of wire spin rapidly in a magnetic field. So this is number 6. Generators, alternators. Number 7, an electrical charge which flows from one place to another. This is current. Number 8, the source of an electrical current inside which a chemical reaction takes place. Dash, so it is cell. Number 9, a form of magnetism produced by electricity. It is electrons. Number 10, electricity is produced by the movement of these tiny particles found in atoms of matter. So the number 10 is number 9, a form of magnetism produced by electricity. Electromagnetism. Number 10, electricity is produced by the movement of these tiny particles found in atoms of matter. So this is electrons. Question number 11. materials through which an electrical charge can flow. Conductors. UCT. क्या है ये? Conductors. Number 12. Electromagnetic waves which have the lowest energy and are used to transmit radio and television programs. So these are the radio waves. So everyone, the chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter. Chapter number 22. First of all, let me read about internet. Broadly defined, the internet is a worldwide network of computers communicating via an agreed upon protocols. It provides access to the most diversified source of information posted by individuals and various organizations. So, World Wide Web is a vast network of servers. Presently, the internet is given on two World Wide Web or just web which interconnect thousands of servers created by various organizations, commercial establishments, industrial units, academic establishment, common or particular interest groups, or even private individuals. So the web pages loaded on their servers provide various types of information, example, text, picture, animation, etc. Okay, so match the column to make appropriate pairs. Let me start. Antivirus. Number 1. F. नो टोन. तो यहाँ पे हम मेंशन करेंगे F. नंबर 2. चैटिंग. Windows Live Messenger. Antivirus. F. No tone. And chatting. D. Windows Live Messenger is D. Number 3. Music and video real player. G. Number 4. Error message. So it is ping timeout. H. Number 5. Email Outlook Express. A. Number 6. Instant Messenger. It is C. Yahoo. Number 7. Access of information. Satyam Online. B. Number 8. Unzipping. WinZip. E. Okay? So everyone, our matchings are done. So the chapter is completed here. Now let's begin the next chapter. Chapter number 23. Take the pictures and read the statements and fill the letters to complete the words related to our universe. So number 1, asteroids is a small rocky object that revolves around the sun. So these are asteroid. A-S-T-E-R-O. R-O-I-D. Asteroid. Number 2, this is pulsar. P-U-L-S-A-R. Pulsar is a rotating neutron star that emits beams of radiation. Number 3 is the natural satellite that revolves around the planet. So it is moon. M-O-O-N, moon. Number 4. Dash is a large collapsed star with a field of gravity around it, which is so strong that neither light nor matter can escape from it. So it is black hole. VLACKHOL. Number 5. Dash takes place when the moon covers the sun by coming in front of it, or when the moon is hidden by the earth's shadow. The number 5 is eclipse. ECLIPSE. Number 6. Dash is a collection of billions of stars that are held together by the force of gravity. It is galaxy. GALAXY. Number 7. Dash is a ball of dust and ice that orbits the sun. Okay, so it has two tails, one made of gas and the other one of dust. So number 7 is comet. Number 8. Dash is a small particle produced by a comet orbiting the sun. So this is meteor. METEOR. Number 9. Dash is a great violent explosion indicating the death of a massive star. It is supernova. Number 10. Dash is the distance traveled by light in 1 year. So it is light year. LIGSTYEAR. So students, the chapter is completed here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 24. It is the first medical help given to an injured person before a doctor arrives. So the most important thing while giving first aid is to stay calm. So first aid for common cases. In case of wounds, cuts or scratches, है ना, कोई जख्म हो जाता है, कट लग जाता है, कोई scratches हो जाती हैं, तो wash the area with clean lukewarm water, हल्का गुनगुना, apply an antiseptic cream or spray, cover the wound with a sterile gauze. Okay, so the next one, in case of sprain or fracture, so what we should do? Apply an ice pack to the affected area. In case of a fracture, give support to the broken bone by putting a splint or sling. In case of nosebleeds, make the patient sit upright, press the bleeding side of the nose firmly, apply an ice pack to the nose and ask the patient not to blow their nose. Next one, in case of mild electric shock, switch off the main power immediately. Move the person away from the electric gadget. Keep the patient warm until the doctor arrives. In case of minor burns, hold the affected part under running water or apply ice on the burnt area. Apply an ointment like Vernol on the affected part. One can also apply a paste of baking soda and water. Some tips are here. A splint is a piece of wood or cardboard used to hold a broken bone in position. Okay, so a sling is a bandage passing over the shoulder to support an injured upper line. An ice pack is cubes of ice pieces tied together in a piece of. So the students, the all chapter of these units are completed here. I hope you all are very well understand these all our chapter. So we will meet you the next class. Thank you.